Hi guys, well we're back here at the newer sawmill. Thing's still 70 years old. And I gotta roll that log down. And the problem that you got is they roll when they have a round edge on them. They don't roll when it's flat. That's why cranes have outriggers on them. To spread it out, number one, make a flat surface, because flatness just doesn't roll. So I put, while the camera was off and not bore you guys with all that stuff, I put this, what do you call it, chain around it up there, and I got a chain on it down here. Just show you how I'm gonna try to attempt this beast. That's one of those, remember up at Carlisle I bought those for 40 bucks? Well, I guess it's gonna come in handy now. There's a thing that's not in place. I cut that one long board off. Now, the best thing to have done with this log, okay, I should have cut it in half. I would have gotten a lot, not twice the yield, but I would have gotten a lot higher percentage yield out of it because it was bowed, as you recall. Now it was bowed 4.5 inches, which it looked straight, but it ended up being bowed about 4.5 inches. So if you cut half that bow out of it by cutting it in half, you'd probably got twice the yield. The only thing in a long thing would have done was maybe made fence boards. But I wanted to see how this mill cuts long ways. Is kind of what I'm looking for. So that's why I'm doing that. So I'm going to put you on the tripod, but I can't find it. It ran away. Oh, it's over here. Oh, I also cut up the slabs and realized that I got to do some alterations down here. I was cutting the slabs down here, and what I was finding is they like to fall down there. So I got to go groundhogging down there and getting some of that stuff out. And I think I'll go ahead and put the put boards on there. Put something. This is Trex here. This is all Trex. It was all throw it away giveaway from the school board. I think I'll put you up on the fruit stand up here, and I think you'll have a pretty good shot of the crash. I don't think you're going to see much of a boom on this one. And I also went and got hickory. Guess I'm getting out of the camera a little bit there, aren't I? Oh, hickory stick. Of course, I should have got something else, but I forgot. I wasn't thinking at all. Got Mr. Hickory. So where can I put him that he's not? Everything's always in the way. We'll just set him over here. We'll set it way back here, as a matter of fact. All right, now I already don't remember where I left you on the camera. Can you see the winch that I got up here? Maybe not. Yeah, I think, let's see. No, it's below the thing, but the log is the most important thing. I think you could probably get most of the stuff here. There's the government watching me again. They're always coming over watching me. They're gonna throw me in jail. I hope you can see me sitting here just winching this thing over, because that's got a lot more pull on it than I thought. Holy cow. Well, I didn't want it to do that. That wasn't in the plan. That definitely wasn't in the plan. I did put a board there, so well, crap. Maybe it'll stop rolling now. Woo! Caught me in the belly. It's just about there now. It's teeter-tottering. I should probably, well, I can't. I'm going to take the chain off. Now I got to take the chain off. Well, that ain't so easy either. That wasn't too bad. And it's hooked down here. Let's see what it's going to take to get that in. I'm hoping Buford will push him in a little bit. Now, whew. not sure. That's probably I'll bring the jack up, but I put this board, I screwed up. I put this board here, I guess you're in there, to get it up over so it wouldn't hit the beds when I pushed it in. But now that board's in the way for me to get in there and push it in. Always something, ain't there? Let me see what he's into. We're going to name him Buford instead of Hickory. Well, I'm going to have to take a hike. I'm going to be back. Well, I can take you along. Because I can't turn the video off and come back on. I meant to bring a digging bar. Yeah, I screwed up by putting that board there. Which, like I said, I'm not... these are supposed to be 2 inches high. So it goes over the bed. And maybe I'll make them 2.5 and change them. That was just kind of a put it in place. I think I might be able to get in there with a digging bar. It'd be better. Like I said, I'm learning on this thing. There's wood for next year. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And those hold approximately 0.86. So there's if there's 6 of those, there's about 5 cords of wood right there. I got another 4.5, 5 cords up at the house. So there's 10 cords, and that's not including what's in underneath all that plastic there. There's probably another 5 cords there. So I got next winter's wood is drying. Here's a digging bar. All sorts of crazy nonsense in here. Elevator. Now that's getting dry, I'll probably move it up and start playing with that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I had planned, but I don't know if those plans don't always work out the way the plans are supposed to be. There's a bunch of, I don't remember what that wood was. Looks like ash, poplar. Oh, it's poplar, that's what it is. It was the top part of this tree. I think that's what it is. I can't keep track of what I got going on here. Sorry about having to take you along for the walk. You got to see a couple things. I kind of was planning on this going a little bit better than it did. But, you know, like I said, this is I'm learning down here on this mill. I've been probably already had it done on the back mill. But I wanted to kind of see what this thing did with the big stuff. Back is a little stiff today, so I'm kind of taking it easy too. Of course, wrestling up. Oh, I looked up this log weighs well, that ain't doing good. Yeah, we ain't doing that. Well, crap. I guess you got, I guess if I roll it back, I can take this board out. Maybe I can roll it back. I think that's, I don't know what I'm doing now. This might just be, I don't know whether to shut this movie off or keep it going, but you get the good with the bad here, so I guess I'll keep it going. Figure it out. Haven't quite figured it out yet though. I could put the hook and pull it around on the other side, pull it with the carriage, pull it down. If I didn't have, see, I wanted to wedge under here, and I wasn't thinking. I think if I go to the other side and pull it right back on, might be the best. I'm not gonna. Chances of me rolling that are about slim to none. Even though basically it started. Kind of don't think this is going to happen. Buford's pretty strong. See, now I need a person to shove those, yeah, I could do that. If I had another person to shove those things in, I'd be all right. Now I need a taller board for this. Actually, I need a 4x4 for that. Of course, there ain't no 4x4s down here. Oh, there might be one over there. Well, you're seeing what goes on in a low budget sawmill, I guess. No budget, low budget. And like I said, I'm not moving real fast today. I hurt. Well, here's a, might be what the doctor ordered. Back is hurting pretty good today, so I'm really taking it pretty easy. Kind of makes me want to get that log turner going, doesn't it? That's just a little bit big. Where's my stick to push that in? Here it is. Yeah, that Buford pushes that all right until it drops down there. I'm right where I need a 3 instead of a 4. Let's see what we can do now. Woo! I gotta get further back on that little chunk of wood. More leverage. Well, what I thought was going to come along didn't. I guess we're back to this one here because it got in there so close. Push these in so we don't lose what we got. Just have to push it that way because the angle is different than the angle of the thing. Well, I guess this is kind of a, I hope you guys, on this one here, I hope you guys know how to hit that little gear thing and make this go 5 times faster than it was. Then it won't be so hateful. And then if I do get to the point, it's windy down here, if I get to the point, then you can just slow it down. That's kind of what I'd recommend. That's pretty close right there. Now, push that in so I don't lose that. Can't find my stick to push that into so I don't lose that. What was that noise? That kind of a weird noise. That is stuck there. Now you might hear a boom when this goes. I think it might go over on this one. Did you hear that? That was a boom. All right. Let's get going now here. Get this off of here, this off of here, get that board off of there that I thought was a good thing that isn't a good thing. Gosh, we've been here. These are a good thing. I'm all right with them. Been here. I don't know where the camera's at time-wise. I'm just doing this. I need to move this scissor lift out of the way. Well, that one ain't that good. All right, let's pull it down now and hope for the best. Let me see where we're at on the clock. How we doing up here? Oh, I'm only 15 minutes. That really ain't all that bad if you think about it. This thing here, I should probably cut that in half. It's in the way now. We'll move it back here. Of course, now that I gotta get the chain up and the cable up again now. Yeah, why does my back hurt? I gotta get that other log deck cleared off. I think that's gonna be on the agenda. I don't have another one to take. Let's see. Somehow this thing clicks the other way. Got that part of it. Got that part of it. Got that part of it. I think this will go better now. I hope you guys ain't getting hammered too bad by the wind. Let's see. Here we go. We've been here before. You know, it takes more oomph than I thought to pull this. Bad, but I don't know that, oh, I gotta unhook this. Gotta unhook that, gotta unhook that. Now let's see where we're at. Now Buford might do something. Still jamming down into the can't think what I'm thinking of. Well, we didn't get much further, did we? Gotta get that up higher. Guess I better get that log turner going, huh? That ain't no easy feat either. That ain't no easy feat either. Let's see what we got here. Well, I'm up high enough, but now I can't get it to go in. Huh. I would have had this done at the other mill. So I got to, I'm just going to go get the jack. That's all there is to it. Got to get the jack. And that's all the way over here. Well, you know, while I'm here, I guess I'll jack this side first. Now, let's think about it. That would be the more intelligent thing to do, I guess. I need that 6-inch block, and I don't know what I did with that. Let's see what we do here. Not doing what I wanted to do. Now we're talking. Should have just used the jack, I guess, to begin with. Alright, this ought to go in fairly reasonable. Is my hopes. Ain't nothing been reasonable about it yet. Should just, yep, that's what I wanted to do. Now it's going on these. Now Buford might get it. Boy, about everything you could go wrong is going wrong here, guys. You need that block. You son of a... About time, man. You know, I've sawed a heck of a lot bigger logs than that mill in the back. I sawed a lot of them 24-foot long. This is only 17 and had a fraction, literally fraction of the problems. Now, it might be because I knew what I was doing more than this one. But this is pretty sad. Or pathetic. But hoping that'll push. I'm inside the cut zone. We're there. Put this back so it doesn't bow and warp and do all sorts of goofy stuff. Broke that up, didn't it? Guess I better remember to take that chain off too, shouldn't I? Of course, it didn't come out all the way. And as Frank White would say, I just ain't as goddamn agile as I used to be. But I think we're there. The bow is in the center. That's where we're at, right there. Doesn't look too bad. It's not as nice as I'd like it to be. I don't really think you need all those dogs in it either. This side down here is fitting better than that side up there. They're all pretty good on the head blocks. This one here is sitting out. Oh, you know that chain moves, doesn't it? Holy cow. just about landed on my butt. Alright, let's get one board off of this thing. Hopefully, let's see what our time is. All that watching around you do, you're entitled to at least one board, aren't you? 26. I don't know if we'll make it. I'm going to take I'm going to come in here. Well, we'll start the saw. Here, just watch. I'm trying to get a log on board. I hope. Made one in. I might take one more cut. Make the two sides. See how you want the two sides level? I'll probably take one more cut. But I'm going to run out of time here. So hit the like button, subscribe button, and learn how to hit the go fast button on your end. So I'm glad if you made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Don't know that it was worth it though. We'll see you later now. Bye-bye.